Here's the latest acquisition. Pulled this out from an attic I was doing a new install in. It was sitting up there. I asked the guy about it. He said, yes, please take it out of the house. You could put it right on the curb. I'm like, well, I'll take it and use it. I collect these. So this is a 1978. It's a little dirty, but it is mint. There's no damage to the case. There's very little rust. Coils are perfect. It's still got the badge on the back. I'll see if I could swing around and show it. There it is. It's in very nice shape. So I think I mentioned already, 1978. Like I said, it does need a little clean. Most of that's just attic dust. Coils are in great shape and pretty clean. It's pretty efficient. 8.1 EER, 7,500 BTU. So I don't have too much space on my phone at the moment. So before I lose the video, let's start it. I started it briefly just to make sure it ran, but I have not tested if it actually cools properly because it was sitting on its side in that attic. It's had plenty of time to calm down now, so let's see what it does. I hear the refrigerant running. It's starting to get cold. It is a rotary. They take some time. All the louvers function. Somewhat. It's got the power saver. Look at those nice controls. It's starting to get cold. I'm making this video, it's a little dark, I apologize, but it's going straight to the storage unit right now for the moment. So, wanted to get a good video and test out of it before I put it away. I don't currently have a use for this one at the moment, but it will go into service sooner than later. It's too nice of a unit to not be used.